Most drivers don't realize how quickly a small car problem turns into a roadside emergency or worse. A dead battery, a blind spot, even a simple parking mistake can cost you big. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to for trending Amazon car gadgets, smart tools, and clever upgrades that make driving easier. Some of these fix problems you didn't even know you had until it's too late. Ever struggled to park perfectly but still worried you might hit something? This wireless backup camera fixes that instantly. No wires, no drilling, just install it in 2 minutes and you're done. It streams crystal clear 1080p video straight to a 5-inch screen, even at night. But here's the interesting part: it runs on solar power and lasts months on one charge. You also get split screen view to monitor blind spots or trailers. Parking suddenly feels effortless, and way safer than before. Ever noticed how hard it is for others to see your car at night? That's where this hood LED strip changes everything. The moment you start your car, it performs a dynamic scanning light effect that instantly grabs attention. Then it stays on as a bright safety line while driving. But here's what most people don't expect: it's flexible, waterproof, and can be cut to fit any car perfectly. It doesn't just look cool, it actually helps prevent accidents by making your car impossible to ignore. Why do your charging cables always end up tangled right when you need them most? This 163W car charger solves that instantly. It powers up to 4 devices at once, even your laptop. But here's where it gets interesting: it has built-in retractable cables that pull out smoothly and snap back clean. No mess, no clutter, just a clean setup every time. And with its multi-angle rotating head, everyone in the car gets the perfect charging position. Long trips feel effortless when everything stays powered and organized. So far, which one would you actually use every day? Drop your answer in the comments, I'm curious. And if you love smart car upgrades like these, hit subscribe because it gets even better. How do you know your tires are about to fail before it's too late? Most drivers don't, and that's the dangerous part. This TPMS tracks your tire pressure and temperature in real time. The moment something goes wrong, it alerts you instantly. But here's where it gets serious: it detects slow leaks, overheating, even signal loss before it turns into a blowout. Plus, it plugs in easily and even charges your phone. It's like having a silent safety guard watching your tires every second. Ever wanted a hot cup of coffee but you're stuck on the road? This car electric kettle makes it possible anywhere. Just plug it into your car, set the temperature, and it heats water exactly how you like it. Coffee, tea, even milk, ready while you drive. But here's what most people don't expect: it shows real-time temperature on a smart screen and keeps your drink warm for hours. Long trips suddenly feel more comfortable, like bringing a mini kitchen right into your car. Where do you put your bag without it falling over every time you brake? This simple hook fixes that instantly. It attaches right to your headrest and holds your purse, groceries, or backpack securely in place. No more items rolling around or spilling everywhere. But here's the part most people overlook: it's strong enough for heavy loads and has a non-slip design to keep everything stable. Your car stays clean, organized, and stress-free, even during sudden stops. So far, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments, I read every single one. And if you enjoy smart car upgrades like these, hit subscribe, the next ones get even crazier. How do you keep your car smelling fresh without constantly spraying perfume? This smart diffuser does it automatically. It turns on when your car starts and releases a fine mist of fragrance in adjustable modes. No effort needed. But here's where it gets interesting: it also projects a starry sky on your ceiling and syncs light with music. Your car doesn't just smell better, it feels like a completely different space every time you drive. Why does your arm start to ache on long drives? That hard center console is the reason. This armrest cover adds soft memory foam support, instantly making every drive more comfortable. Just slip it on, no tools needed. But here's what most people don't expect: it also adds extra storage pockets on both sides for your phone, keys, or small items. Less strain, less clutter. Your driving position feels better, and your car stays cleaner without even trying. What happens when your car battery dies in the middle of nowhere? That's where this gadget becomes a lifesaver. This powerful jump starter can bring your car back to life in seconds. No waiting, no calling for help. But here's where it gets crazy: it also has a built-in air compressor to inflate your tires anytime. Plus a flashlight, power bank, and emergency modes. It's not just a tool, it's your all-in-one survival kit for the road. If your car broke down right now, which gadget would save you first? Tell me in the comments. I want to know your pick. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next gadgets might surprise you even more. How fast are you really driving without taking your eyes off the road? This HUD display shows it instantly. It projects your speed and direction in large, clear numbers right in front of you. No distractions, no guessing. But here's the smart part: it uses GPS, so there's no wiring into your car system at all. Just plug and play. It even turns on and off automatically with motion. Safer driving starts when you stop looking down and start looking ahead. Where do you put your phone without blocking your view or fumbling while driving? This cup holder charger solves that cleanly. It sits firmly in your cup holder and wirelessly charges your phone at the same time. Just drop it in with one hand and you're set. But here's what makes it better: the adjustable arm and 360 degrees rotation give you the perfect angle every time. No shaking, no overheating. Navigation feels safer, and your dashboard stays clutter-free. How do you change a tire when you're stuck alone on the roadside? This electric jack does the hard work for you. With one button, it lifts your car in under a minute. No struggle, no manual cranking. But here's where it gets powerful: it also includes an impact wrench and built-in tire inflator. You can remove bolts and refill tires without extra tools. In an emergency, this isn't just helpful, it can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of stress. Be honest, could you handle a flat tire alone right now? Tell me yes or no in the comments, I'm curious. And if you want to be prepared for anything on the road, hit subscribe, we're not done yet. What are you missing in your blind spot right now? That's exactly how accidents happen. These small mirrors attach to your side mirrors and instantly expand your field of view. You'll see cars, bikes, even things you normally miss. But here's the key detail: they're designed to be slim and long, perfect for sports cars and tight angles. Once you use them, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Safer lane changes start with seeing what others can't. Ever driven through heavy rain and your wipers just smear everything worse? That's more dangerous than you think. These premium wiper blades clear your windshield smoothly with no streaks, even at high speed. Visibility stays sharp when it matters most. But here's what most drivers don't realize: the precision design keeps constant pressure on the glass, so performance doesn't drop over time. Installation takes under a minute. One small upgrade, but it can completely change how safe you feel in bad weather. Ever opened your trunk and everything is just a mess? Groceries rolling, tools everywhere, it gets frustrating fast. This trunk organizer fixes that with multiple compartments and pockets to keep everything in place. No more digging around. But here's the bonus: it comes with a built-in cooler bag that keeps drinks cold or food warm on the go. And when you don't need it, just fold it away. Your trunk stays clean, organized, and ready for anything. Alright, which of these would instantly upgrade your car? Drop your pick in the comments. I want to see what stands out. And if you're still watching, hit subscribe, because the last few might surprise you. How do you escape your car in an emergency when seconds matter? Most people don't have an answer until it's too late. This compact tool can shatter your window instantly and cut a stuck seatbelt with one hand. It's small, but incredibly powerful. But here's what makes it critical: it works even underwater and includes a flashlight with strobe mode for signaling. You can keep it on your keychain, always within reach. In a real emergency, this tiny tool could be the reason you make it out safely. Why guess measurements when one mistake can cost you time and money? This laser tool makes everything precise in seconds. Just point, tap once, and it instantly measures distance, even corners and tricky angles. No more manual errors. But here's where it stands out: the 360 degrees joystick lets you capture entire room layouts and send them straight to your phone. It's not just measuring, it's planning smarter. Perfect for car setups, garages, or any space where accuracy really matters. Where do all your essentials go after you leave the car? Keys, watch, phone, it all disappears fast. This Valet box keeps everything in one place while charging your phone at the same time. Clean, simple, always ready. But here's the upgrade: it has dedicated compartments for watches, accessories, and daily carry items with a premium finish. It's not just storage, it's a system. You start organized at home, and that mindset follows you every time you get in your car. You made it to the end, so which gadget would you actually buy first? Drop it in the comments, I want to see your top pick. And if you love discovering smart tools like these, hit subscribe. More insane gadgets are coming. From avoiding blind spots to handling emergencies, these gadgets aren't just cool, they actually protect you on the road. Some make driving safer, others make it easier, and a few could literally save your life when it matters most. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Quincy Gadgets for more smart upgrades you didn't know you needed.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.